the time I lose sense. And the project keep a deal only for 2 cents. See now what you get is a jet in a toothpaste. Sucker, lose sense. Lose sense, yeah. Lose sense, nah. Lose sense, yeah. Lose sense. Lose sense, come on, see now what you get is a jet in a toothpaste. My summer homies selling you, selling my jazz man feed when I see you bro. I mean Argentina and on in a bus for my group. Funny maga on my feet I got no blue. Makakura nezitina wangu tesa pusha toy. No, mara sabatika wangu yeah we had no choice. Now once I'm doing chinja tinza with my voice. I'm a first paycheck, go to my boys. I'm a boys. Oh no, I will make it out one day. Man they used to muggers and the vaya van a mari. Magic Kari, one river for Zimbabwe. I don't pick up Kakumbari. I'm the same, when I'm out shit. I'm sensation, I'm a Zenkulu, Mr. Really. Yeah, Tole Cats, Bluma Lama King. Keeping Labum, wanna pay 5 C. I don't tell them a tag and money for my loose sense. For my daily, it's always profits and they tell my loose sense. And the project keep a daily, they don't give a 2 cents. See now, what you get is a jet and a toothpaste, sucker. Loose sense, yeah, yeah. Loose sense, nah. Loose sense, yeah. Loose sense, come on, say now, but you get it, the jet in a toothpaste. Fashion never changes, that's what summer do. Can you put it, come with it, no need but 2 cents. Tell that funny place I chill and we call it a boost. Sleekstar, I'll send you one in that boost.
Sure. Yeah. This is Loose Ends by my guest. It's an amazing song, it's an amazing song. It's really vibey. Really a great song for such a great day. And for the first time ever in the history of the sit-down interview, we're going international for the first time. All the previous guests I've had on the sit-down interview have all been based in South Africa, but for the first time ever today, we're going to Zimbabwe. We're touching down on the home ground. And this song that I just played right now is actually by my guest today. It's a fire song. It's amazing. And I really can't wait to chat with him. But first and foremost, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much to everybody who's currently watching this right now. I can see the love is amazing. I can see the comments. I can see the viewers out here. Thank you so much. This is really appreciated. Starting with the comments. I can see Dumi is waving hi. I can see Yodi. I can see Afiba. Sheltoni out checking. It's been a while, fam. I can see Yodi asking what's under that head. Do you mind removing it? No. I haven't been taking care of my hair, so right now it's really horrible, big time, and I'm planning to play it soon, so I'm just letting it grow. Then in due time I'm gonna play it. As soon as that is done, I'm coming out to the world. How are you guys? How are you guys doing? How are you surviving this lockdown? What's happening wherever you are? Welcome. If you're tuning in for the first time, welcome to the sit-down interview with Ice Eazy, where I get to sit down and talk to amazing creatives, amazing personalities, amazing brands. And we do this every Monday, every Wednesday, and every Friday. But for this week only, I'm sort of like doing an amazing special. So today we're going to have 2 guests. Right now at 2 p.m. to 3 is going to be my guest for right now, which is Sleekstar. Then after Sleekstar, DJ Hugo is also coming from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Then tomorrow, 2 p.m. I got another guest coming out here. Then on Sunday, I got like 3 guests, 1 from South Africa and 2 from Botswana. So please make sure to tune in, because the sit-down interview is going international, baby. It's going out. It's amazing. But done with the talking, because I've been talking too much. I've been for the guests to actually do the talking, because I'm out here talking. So at this point in time, let me try bringing my guest on board. Then we can start doing this. Like I said, if you're tuning in for the first time, welcome to the sit-down interview with Ice Eazy, brought to you by Nice Entertainment. Ladies and gentlemen, wherever you are, whatever you're doing right now, please help me welcome from Zimbabwe, Sleekstar King. Welcome to the sit down interview. What's up? Your sound is low.
How you doing?
Yeah, I'm good, King. I'm good, King. How are you? Oh, your mic, fam. I can't hear. I can see you talking, but I can't really hear. Nah, I still can hear. I can see you talking, but I can't hear you. Loose ends.
Is it a dope song?
Yeah. Now I can hear you, fam. Now I can hear you, fam. Shout out to you on
Yeah.
time. I was saying, how are you? How are you feeling
Man, I'm
today?
good, man. I'm good to be here. I'm good. I'm really good, man.
And how's the lockdown treating
Well,
you?
it's a little bit hectic for everybody, but then, we survivors, so we out here, man. Yeah.
Shout out, King. Shout out, King. Hey, it's been a while, bro. I haven't seen you in how many years? Is it 2 years,
4
3 years?
years now, man.
Oh, it's been a while, bro. It's been a while. Last time I saw you, you brought me to one of the beautiful towns of Zimbabwe, which is Wange. Hey, bro, that place is so beautiful, man.
Understand.
You know, I wish to come back there again. Next time I'm actually in Zimbabwe, I wish to come that side because Wange is beautiful, man. It's really beautiful out there. Is it where you're at
Yeah,
right
it's
now?
where we are right now, man. We just trying to do some visuals, then we go back to the capital.
All right, fam. Right now, I'd like us to get to the biggest question, to something I usually call the biggest question, which is who is Sleekstar? What do you do, and where are you
All
from?
right, Sleekstar is a rapper. Sleekstar is a singer. Straight out of Zimbabwe, straight out of Wangishan, Siro, many tribes, we out here. I'm I'm
Yeah.
smooth and I shine like a star. That's what Sleekstar means, man. So yeah,
Shout out,
yeah, we're
fam.
keeping on doing good vibes.
And yeah, and talk about music, man. When did the music journey
Yeah,
begin?
well, it started in 2015, man. In a town called Gweru. I was at that was
Yeah,
my first year. And then, I met up with Orchid and he just got me into the studio. He started playing me beats. I chose
yeah,
good beats. So we made a hit song. I still, if you still remember Chantiani, we did a video for it.
yeah. I still remember it. I still
Yeah, that
remember
was
it.
the time.
And and how's been the journey so far?
But I don't want to lie to you, man. The journey is so hard, but then,
Oh, I can hear you again, fam. I can't hear you again. Can you please do what you were doing before
yeah,
this?
yeah,
Yeah, now I can hear you again.
yeah. So I've just been saying, like, it's really been tough. It's hard. It's hard to
Yeah,
get somebody to like recognize you and to try to help you out with the music because it's like getting a job. It's so hard, man. Yeah, but then
fam, fam. And what so since you're saying it's really hard right now, what have you been doing to sort of like try to still bridge the gap regardless of the odds which are against
yeah,
you?
man. We just been trying to. I've got a team Sleekstar, and we just been really trying to give the people the music, man. And now we're
Yeah,
working on music videos. I think this year is just gonna be music videos, man, because we released the EP in April. So yeah.
yeah. And how's been the EP performing so far?
Well, yeah, online it's having so many numbers, man. But because because of the
Yeah,
COVID, we can go out to perform. You can go out to yeah, yeah.
exactly. And which song so far would you say is really performing super good, super
Well,
good?
man, there's a song called Rora. You know it, man. It's dope.
Yeah. I told you I like it big
Yeah,
time.
I've got a lot of DMs about it here on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and my WhatsApp has been blowing, man, because of that song. Like people are loving it. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. I was listening to Calvin, his latest song. You know
yeah, yeah,
Calvin,
yeah.
right? Yeah, where he talks about I wish I was a Shona. You heard
Well,
it?
I know I haven't heard that one, man. I haven't heard that one.
Right, please, please check it out after this.
All right.
And he said this because it's like it seems like in Zim can only make it as a musician if you are Shona. And I would like to find out what you think about that.
Well,
Because Carl been in the game for the longest time, and I think that's actually true. Because like most big acts in Zim, if you could check out, they're all Shona and all that, and I think that's what he
yeah.
was saying. But he wishes he was Shona to sort of like make it big, and I would like to find out what you think about that.
Well, to be honest with you, man, I know a lot of Shona artists out there in Gweru, Harare, Masvingo, Zishavane, and all those towns, man,
Yeah,
that are just struggling as I am, that are just struggling as I was struggling, like it's bigger than just Shona in Devele.
yeah,
So I just don't think because you're Shona, then you're gonna be treated differently in the music industry. To be honest with you, man, we
yeah,
are struggling, we are trying out here, but then it's never about the tribe. It's all about the chance you get and how you utilize each and every
yeah.
opportunity that comes your way. You know?
All right. And what do you think could sort of like change the Zim hip hop space? You know, what's missing actually? Because I know a lot of artists who've been in the industry for years,
Yeah,
man, but they're still in the same place. They're making great
yeah,
music. You know, they're doing the most, but they still can't live off the music, and they still can't grow bigger than just
yeah.
Zimbabwe. And what would you say is lacking for that to happen?
Well, we are lacking the hip hop genre in Zimbabwe is lacking promoters. If we had people like Passion Java, people like T Mac,
Yeah,
people like Mr. Styles, people like the whole Two Kings and all other promoters around Zimbabwe, if they really like gave focus and chance to hip hop. It's just how dancehall grew, bro. How Zim dancehall grew. Like we all knew Gucci Zim dancehall was. People were not taking it seriously. But then a lot of people started
yeah.
putting in money, started putting more time, started putting a lot of things in the genre, and look where it at now. It's popping.
Yeah, it's really big. It's really big, and it's really big. And what are your plans of sort of like blowing out of Zimbabwe? Because I'm sure as an artist, you don't just want to blow in Zimbabwe only. You want to go, Africa, globally, and all
Yeah.
that.
To be honest, I really want to blow up the whole international level. But then for now, I'm
Yeah,
open to international collaborations. Anyone who wants to work with me, we keeping on trying to talk to promoters online, promoters via email, the whole music business, man. Yeah,
yeah,
that's what I'm trying to do.
yeah. Then, then in terms of marketing, how's the marketing experience? How's it going? Is it working? What do you think you can do
Uh huh.
better?
Well, the marketing is really okay, but then it's
Yeah,
all about how you push, So me and the team, we really
yeah,
taking each and every chance that comes our way. We're not treating people, like they don't owe us anything. But then every person we meet, like every group of people we meet, every manager, every promoter, the
yeah,
fans, we're just making sure that we treat them
yes,
right
fam.
because they're the people that make things happen, man. You know?
Yeah, that's facts. That's facts, fam. That's
Yeah.
facts. And yeah, talk about all these amazing things. I was sort of like to sort of like find out what made you who you are. So I was sort of like want us to rewind back to your childhood, fam. Would you love to share your childhood with us?
Yeah, you're asking how I started, innit?
Yeah, even before the music, Sleekstar before the music, up until the
Well,
music.
Slickster before the music, I was in the church choir. I was I was just I
Yeah,
was just focused on the whole education thing. But then, soon as I met Oscar in 2015, he saw me singing in a church that he was playing the piano. So I went in
yeah,
front. I started doing a solo song, you know. And then after that, he
yeah,
just pulled me outside, man. He's like, dude, I really love your voice. You should come through to the studio so that I can sample you some beats.
yeah,
We can work on this. And then the next day, man, I did the exact thing that he told me to. Went back to the um went to his studio. He played me beat. He
yeah.
showed me everything, and now we're here, man. We keeping on vibing with it.
Hey, yeah, you've been doing the most, fam. You've been doing the most. And how's been the journey of shows, performances before the lockdown going?
Well, things are now popping, man. Things are now popping. It was show after show. We
Yeah,
didn't have any weekend for free, man.
yeah.
But then, lockdown.
Hey, that's beautiful, man. That's beautiful, man. That's beautiful. And I feel like there are less shows in ZFM. I really feel like there are few shows than there should be in ZFM. And I'm not sure, is it because of the promoters, like you said, or is it because us as artists we're not actually making an effort to sort of like make the shows on our own? What's the problem exactly?
The problem, like I've told you, it's every artist, man, wants to perform. Every artist wants to blow up, wants to be on stage, wants to be on
Yeah,
TV, wants to be known. But then it's not only up to us as artists because we are making the music, but the music is
yeah,
not going anywhere. It's not reaching, the big people, the most important people that are promoters, DJs.
yeah.
That's the only problem. Promotion, 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 man.
Hey, and now that's really a big problem, and that's really a big problem. Oh, another thing, are you registered?
Yeah, I'm registered to the Zimura artist registration.
Yeah, can can you please share all that info? Because I remember one of the artists asking me how do you register in Zim and all that. So can you please sort of like share that info with us, the
Mhm.
process?
Well, every province in Zimbabwe has the
Yeah,
Zimura offices. I registered in the Midlands province in Gweru. You
yeah,
just need your music,
yeah,
package your music well, put all the details, go through to the offices, pay your registration, wait for your card, wait for news from the Zimura guys. It's as simple as that.
yeah. Then in terms of royalties, are radio stations paying royalties?
Well, since we released the EP on the 1st of April,
Yeah,
we had to put it on radio. Like most of the top radio stations, they are playing the songs, and Zimura is
yeah.
really coming through, man, for real.
Oh, they actually do pay royalties because I actually saw one tweet this other day saying that they do not pay royalties.
You know, I just think maybe the person was really not getting what's going on. Like it's a whole
Yeah,
level of music business that as artists
yeah,
we should really focus on, and we should like take more time into investing into it because it's not just one plus one equals to two. You gotta know what you gotta know what
exactly,
to use.
exactly.
You gotta know what's clean version of radio playable songs. You gotta be registered. You gotta have a bank account. You gotta have this and that. So that's most of the things that us as artists here in Zimbabwe we don't focus on. We don't even think on. We're just waiting for that opportunity to happen on
Yeah,
its own, of which it's not going to do it. It's
yeah,
not.
yeah, yeah. That's true, fam.
Yeah,
That's
man.
true. Then in terms of distribution, what do you currently use to distribute your music and copyright
Well,
it?
yeah. In December, I met a new manager. She's really a good person, and she
Yeah,
introduced me to the whole Spotify, iTunes, Deezer, iHeartRadio, the whole pay.
Yeah,
music sites. So yeah, the EP is on Spotify, it's on iTunes, it's on Deezer, it's on AudioMac, it's on SoundCloud, YouTube. It's everywhere, man.
yeah. And what distributor are you actually using right now? Because I see a lot of the artists are putting their music just on YouTube and SoundCloud, and
Yeah.
that's it.
Well, like I told you, my new manager is telling me, you gotta use each and every application, each and every social site, each and every music,
That's
you know,
fact.
because you can focus on Facebook and people on Facebook might not see you. You can focus only on Instagram, and Instagram
Yeah,
people won't see you. So it's a whole level of you gotta make sure each and every gap has to be filled. Each and every music application, each and every music hub has to have your music. You know. Yeah.
that's fact. That's
So we
facts.
put in work.
Yeah, and talk about social. Yeah, you can finish up. You can
Yeah. So I was
finish up.
saying we put in a lot of work on iTunes, Spotify, YouTube, and the mixtape everywhere.
Yeah, yeah. Talk about social media. Which platform has been working the most for you?
Well, Instagram has really been popping for me. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Then
Yeah.
Twitter, Facebook.
Twitter is okay, but then I'm a lousy texter, and you gotta put a lot of work in Twitter, man. But then
Yeah,
to
yeah.
just make sure I I tag every account, so that I post just one thing and it goes everywhere. You know.
Yeah, yeah. Then what have you been doing right on Insta since you're saying it's the one working for you? Because yes, Insta has been working for me in terms of brand image, for people to know who I am, for people to know my face through those small bits and pictures. But for actually driving, people to my music, I think Twitter and Facebook have been doing
Yeah.
the most. So, what are your tips on Instagram?
Well, my tips on Instagram. First thing is first, you gotta put in money in those sponsored ads, man. Sponsored
Yeah,
ads are the
yeah.
way to go, because you can come from just 100 followers to like 2K followers in less than a week, you know.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah,
So that's my first tip for Instagram. And my second tip for Instagram, just make sure, man, you post things that are nice, you know. Things that are,
yeah,
things that are worth
yeah,
watching, things that are worth, me scrolling down and keeping my eyes on your picture or on your video or on whatever you're posting. It's just gotta
yeah,
be catchy, trendy, and well done.
yeah. Then as for YouTube, you've been growing your YouTube because I noticed you're on something like 200 plus
Yeah.
subscribers.
Well, on YouTube, it's just a matter of posting your music. Like, for example, you release a single today, you make sure you post it on YouTube. You make sure you share the link. You just gotta make sure you're constant with your fans and you have like a strong fan base that doesn't let you down. Those
Yeah,
200, 500 people that no matter what, they're just gonna come through for you. They're gonna view it. They're gonna do this. They're gonna do that. So yeah.
yeah. That's facts, fam. That's facts, fam. Now, yeah, bro. I'm waiting for the music videos, fam. I'm waiting. I'm out here waiting for those music videos. So, has the shooting process began, or are you still planning it out?
Yeah, we've been planning it out, and maybe by the end of this coming Friday, we're gonna know what we're gonna start doing. But we're working on Lucian's video, we're working on Nana video,
Yeah, yeah.
we're working on Rora video, and we're also working on Rauno Gona video.
Yeah, you keep talking about a team, and I would like to know which team is that.
Well, yeah, it's just a team of 5 people,
Yeah,
that make sure that every morning, they tell me what's going on, before I do anything, before I post
yeah,
anything,
yeah,
before I say anything, I have to consult those people because they know what's going on, like in the music industry. So those 5 people, one manager, and there's me as an artist. So Team Sleekstar.
yeah. And how would you say it's really important to sort of like have a team behind you, management or a label? Because I know a lot of people really love the idea of being independent, and by being independent, they're talking about being alone, you know, like being alone, doing everything, being your own manager, being your own marketing strategist, being your everything,
Well,
man.
you know, to be honest, man, it doesn't work like that in the music industry. It's
Yeah,
uh, if someone is saying they're independent, they have they have a
yeah,
manager, they have a graphic designer, they have a tour manager, they have a DJ, you know, they have a producer, you know, they have a marketer, there's a, you know, all those things. There are people that are filling in those gaps, you know. It's
yeah,
not like you're signed to a label, you know, they'll be doing everything for you, you know. You'll be having those people in the label.
yeah.
But now, as an independent artist, it's not like you're going to sing today. You make your own artwork. You write your own video script. You shoot yourself. You market it yourself. You know, you
Yo,
gotta have help.
yo, that's a lot,
Yeah.
man. So, would you prefer being independent with your own team or actually signing to a record label?
You know, right now, you know, I'm just feeling like I'm doing me. I just have to do me. I have a good team.
Oh, snap, his network is acting up right now. As we wait for him to come back to us, let me actually play his song, Loose Ends, which is actually one of my favorite songs by Sleekstar. Interview with Ice Eazy, where I get to sit down and talk to amazing creatives, amazing personalities, and amazing brands. And yeah, my guest today is an amazing creative. He's an amazing musician, a singer, songwriter. He's a great songwriter. And in the meantime, as we wait for him to come back, because his network is sort of like giving him problems, let me just play Loose Ends. Yeah.
Sleekstar, my dad. I'm the rebel in the way. And I told him, I'm the rebel in the way. I'm the rebel in my bag, I can't be for my skins. So my things always profits and they tell my loose sense. And they probably give my duty, they don't need my 2 cents. See now what you get is a gentleman.
So I can see Willie Kate asking what's happening here. Fam, this is the sit down interview with Ice Easy, where I get to interview creatives, interview personalities, and amazing people within the creative industry. And we do this every Monday, every Wednesday, and every Friday only on my IG Live. And if you'd like to check out our previous episodes, you can go to my IGTV or on YouTube and search the sit down interview with IC. All episodes will appear. This is actually my 15th guest and my first guest out of South Africa. So for the first time, we finally international. Today we touched down in Zimbabwe, and on Sunday I'm touching down in Botswana. So we sort of like, you know, trying to reach everywhere. This is the power of the internet. You know, we can go to any part of the world through the internet and social media. So yeah, right now I'm actually taking advantage of that. What can I see? What I can see my bro Derek, my best friend out here saying, "Broski, what's up, King? What's up, King? I'll be good." I can see Nita saying, "What interviews taking place?" Today I'm having Sleekstar, and after Sleekstar at 3 p.m. I'm having DJ Hugo. They both from Zimbabwe. Then this weekend only I'm sort of like doing a special for you guys. So we're gonna do the sit-down interview again this weekend. And tomorrow I've got another guest here in South Africa. Then on Sunday I've got one in South Africa and two from Botswana. So it's packed, it's packed, it's packed. Even Monday, but as from Monday we're back to our normal schedule, which is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So please make sure to tune in all the time. Please. Our guest had network issues, so he just went out right now. I think he's sort of like refreshing his phone, but he'll be back shortly. In the meantime, like I said, I'm still playing his song, Loose Ends, which he just said he's shooting a music video for right now. So yeah, you might want to check out that. Oh, he's back. He's back. He's back. Let me put him on again. Oh, yeah.
Hey.
Oh, hey, bro, I love the song big time, bro. You did the most out here. I really love the song, bro. I really bumped to this song like every other day, bro. I actually bumped this sense. So please drop this music video first, man. Please, 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 please,
Definitely,
please.
man. Definitely. Shout out to Willie Gates. That's my producer there, man. Shout out to King
Yeah,
Alfred,
yeah.
you
Shout out to
know.
Willie one time.
Shout out to King Alfred, man. Shout out to OT. Shout out to,
Yeah,
everybody.
they're out here showing love. Is the network
Yeah, we
good
good. We
now?
good, man.
Away, FM. We're still talking about music
Yeah.
videos. Which one are you dropping first?
Sorry, man. You were saying?
Yeah, I was saying we were still talking about music videos before the network cut you
Yeah.
out, and I was still asking which music video are you dropping first for which
Yeah.
song, and when exactly, sort of like approximate.
Oh yeah. We working on the loose ends video with a director called Blackstone. It's called GS. He's here in Wange, and we might drop it
Yeah,
mid-July, But then we're also working on Rauno Gona. We're also working on Rora. We're also working on Nana. So
yeah.
yeah, we're just gonna be dropping like every month till December. It's gonna be popping, man.
Oh, shut up, man.
Yeah.
It's really beautiful. So you actually dropping for the whole EP?
Yeah, we're only doing like four videos for the EP. Yeah.
Yeah, and any exclusives, fam. Out here on the sit down, I really love exclusive. Each and every guest who comes with the sit down interview always shares an
Yeah.
exclusive. And yeah, I want an exclusive from you, King. Any exclusives?
Um, there isn't much, there isn't much. But then,
Yeah, I want that Dixie March that's there.
when you're talking about exclusive, man, what are you really talking about? Because exclusive is a big word.
So something you haven't shared with the world. Probably something you just know you and your team, which you are planning to share with the people over time. So right now, I'm just challenging you to share it on the sit-down interview right now.
Exclusives. You're gonna make my man. You're
Exclusives.
going to make my manager kill me, man.
Yeah, it's all love. It's all love. It's all love.
yeah. We we are going to be signed. Okay, we are going to be co-signed by a
Yeah.
major label. Not just not in
Outstanding.
Zimbabwe, but then around the world. So
Yeah.
I can only stop there.
Which country? Which country? I'm not asking for a name, just the country, fam.
Okay, remember when I video called you when I was in Senton, when I was in SA that side.
Yeah, I remember that
Yeah,
time.
yeah, that's the process we were doing, but then it's in South Africa. It's in South Africa. Yeah.
One of the two majors.
No, we're gonna stop there.
No, I'm not. I'm not asking for the name. I'm not asking for the name. One of the two
Yeah,
majors.
one of no. We're not going there.
All right, all right. Let me do it like this. I'll mention three major labels. If it's there, just say yes. If it's not there, just say no.
Wait.
So I'm gonna say Universal, Sony, Warner.
I don't know, man.
No, no, fam. It's just a matter of yes or no. You're not picking the actual
Um,
one. So Universal, Sony, or Warner.
the thing is, we haven't really you know, finalized a lot of things. So me saying
Yeah.
it right now, it might it might be a major blow back to me. So I think I can only stop at that, knowing that it's an essay, and I don't think December is gonna come through before I come. So yeah,
Yeah.
that's what we're working on.
All right, all right. I'm gonna be out here waiting for that. Who are your top three favorite artists in Zimbabwe?
Well, in Zimbabwe, I'm a fan of Takura. Like he's
Yeah,
really good.
isn't it? Yeah, he's amazing,
And
amazing. Who else?
I'm a fan of Killer T. You know Killer T.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and I'm a big fan of Tammy Moyo. Man, she's really good.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah.
For me, it's actually Amara Brown and Tommy. They're my, number one and number two up there. It's a
Yeah.
tie. And yeah, for the males, it's a lot, man. It's a lot, But I would say there's who, there's you, there's you also there. There's
Uh-huh.
Dakura. There's
Uh-huh.
Calvin. So yeah, I think that's my top three. You, Calvin, Dakura. That's
Wow,
it.
man.
Then this side it's Amara, Tami, and hey, I got the top two this side. It's top two only.
Well,
That's it.
man,
Then around the world, who you going with around
I'm
the
a
world?
Tory Lanez fan. Tory, woo.
Yeah,
I'm a Chris Brown fan.
yeah,
Um,
yeah,
and well, man, I'm a Beyonce fan.
yeah. Shout
Yeah,
out,
I
shout
like
out.
that. I
I,
like that
I,
album.
I
I
actually
like that
go
song.
for I actually go for Janie over Beyonce. Janie Aiko over Beyonce. Yeah. But they both amazing, man. What do you love about Beyonce?
Oh, well, man, she has a beautiful voice, and I've never
Yeah,
listened to a boring Beyonce song or a Beyonce song that's gonna be like,
that's fact.
you know. But then, yeah,
Yeah, that's
she's
fact.
constant with everything, the vocals, the production, the videos, everything, man. She's really good.
Yeah, and who are the top three artists you really looking forward to actually working on music with?
We're trying to work with Takuda. Um, we're also
Yeah,
trying to work with Ja Praiser. We also want to work with Killer T. We also trying to work with.
yeah. Oh, his network is acting up again. Oh snap, oh snap, oh snap. But it's been 2 p.m. So if you would like to sort of like catch up on what we've been talking about so far, please make sure that immediately after this interview, you go to my IGTV and recap. If you don't have time for that, you can check my YouTube. No, Nice Entertainment is YouTube channel later this evening to sort of like watch all the episodes. Please. This is actually my 15th guest, so there are actually 14 other previous episodes. 14 amazing personalities I've been talking to over the past few weeks. So please just go to YouTube, search the sit down interview with Ice Eazy, and yeah, that's it. I'm thinking of cutting the interview short for today because I see Sleekstar is having network issues big time. So yeah, for this one, this is the end of it. We're coming back again at 3 p.m. with DJ Hugo from Zimbabwe. Please come back for that. It's gonna be an amazing one. It's gonna be a crazy one. If you're tuning in for the first time, like I always say all the time, this is the sit down interview with Ice Eazy, where I get to sit down and talk to amazing creatives, amazing personalities, amazing people, and sort of like get to break bread with them. And we do this every Monday, every Wednesday, and every Friday only on my IG Live. So please, 20 minutes to 3. So I'll be back at 3 p.m. sharp with another amazing guest. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you in 20 minutes. Goodbye.